Yo, what's good, y'all? As you can see, I am in my car today. I am actually supposed to be on my way to school, but I decided to drop into KFC and try their new Cheetos chicken sandwich. And yes, it is Cheetos with fried chicken in the sandwich. I have seen two different people on YouTube do it, Dame Drops and Twin Muscle, and by no means am I trying to copy them and eat in the car and do a review. I am starving, I am curious, and I am gonna try this out. Y'all know I don't normally eat in the car, but let's get right into it. So we got the 5-piece hot wings that I had to wait for a while to get it. Ooh, look at that. It's burning hot, I'm about to eat that in a bit. But what I didn't want to get cold was a KFC Cheetos sandwich. Here we go, nice little packaging. I have mixed expectations, you know. People that I've watched like it, don't like it, but we'll give it a try. I didn't want to waste time driving home and waiting for this thing to go cold, so we'll give it a try here. So what we got is the bun, nice and oily, not toasted. We got the chicken, here we go, and then we got the Cheetos right underneath. So let's see what this is about. I got some ketchup just in case this is like not very flavorful, but we'll see. And then, as I've seen in the other videos, you got the cheese sauce, probably from the Cheetos right here, dripping all over, extra oily. But yeah, let's dig right into it and see. Look, I ate one thing today, and that was hours ago. This is good. It's like fresh, straight out. It's not bad. It's good. And it's at the point where the Cheetos are still crunchy. We got some white sauce here, which is the mayonnaise right here. Well, this is good. Now, I know why some people are like, because it's oily. Obviously, it's not healthy for you. But this isn't something you should be eating all the time. So, this is pretty good. Going for another bite here. You can hear the crunch. I'm eating with my mouth closed, but you can hear the crunch. Let's go. I would get this again. But one suggestion is doing it live. You know what I mean? Eating it right then and there. Don't bring it home first. Definitely let me eat right at the spot. I don't think I even need the ketchup. I think it'd be a little OD if I dip this in the cheese sauce. It's literally just oil. Alright, since I'm doing this video, I'm gonna give you a little story time. Some shit that happened to me the other day. I was at Dave & Buster's. And they just implemented a new thing where you can tap your card instead of inserting your card to pay for games, right? There's this new section. It's called like the attraction. So this one is a 3D chair that you can obviously sit in, put your goggles on, hold the controller, and just be immersed into a new game. So my girlfriend and I were in it, or waiting for it, and we asked the lady like, oh, do we just tap our card? Do we have to pay separately? There's a kiosk right next door where we just grab it and pay, insert our money, pay, tap the card, and we're all set. So knowing this, there were people behind us that obviously knew we were ahead of them. So once we were finished with the transaction, we went back into the line in the place that we were supposed to be in. These people right in front of us turned back, give us this look like, I think those people were ahead of you. Bitch, if we cut them, you think they would knowingly let us cut them and not say anything? Obviously not. So we looked back at them and said, yeah, they know we were here. And that was confirmed by the people behind us. So you're salted. So you feel stupid. And this is just one of the many scenarios that I've experienced lately where people are just putting their nose into other people's business when they shouldn't be. So what I'm trying to say here is mind your own business, you know? Mind your own business, just like the guy who parked right next to me and is looking through my window right now from his car. Yeah, I got the sandwich and it's good. Alright, I think I'm done with this for now. Make sure to eat the wings for y'all before we close the video today. Look at these hot wings, baby. Look at these. Woo! Hot for a reason. God. Super hot. It's 84 degrees today. I'm in the car. Obviously AC's turned down low because I don't want y'all hearing the fan just blowing into the microphone. Oh my God. I used to have a friend that works at this exact KFC. He used to give me the hookup every time I came. Just extra stuff like potato wedges, extra wings, soda, all that stuff. Don't get those anymore. But also it's not healthy, so you shouldn't be coming here all the time anymore anyways. You know, when I do, I gotta get the wings. Wings are popping. So damn hot though. Make sure I clean that out. Got my Diet Pepsi here. Finish these wings, finish that sandwich while I drive, and I'm out of here. These wings are just so like perfectly crisp on the outside and super juicy meat on the inside. Definitely go well with barbecue sauce. You know what I mean? Not even ketchup, just straight up barbecue sauce. Or some Chick-fil-A sauce. I think Chick-fil-A sauce goes with anything fried. Anything delicious. This is definitely one of them. My hand is on fire. I got 2 more. I'd say 5 perfect size. Just enough where you're satiated, but you know, you got enough room for a little something new, like the Cheetos hot. Well, not the hot Cheetos, but the Cheetos fried chicken sandwich. Eating hot. Mmm. So I know my first mukbang was Shake Shack. That's fast food. This is fast food. Let me know what you want me to eat in my next video. I want to eat something good for y'all. I want to show y'all something delicious. So leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. If you're new, let me know what you'd like to see and I'll go ahead and do it. All right. Ooh, got me sweating out here. All right, this is done. Hot wings are done. You can go ahead and hit the road, finish up this sandwich, and go on with my day. Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. If you are curious, like I was, go ahead and try the sandwich. Definitely eat it in the restaurant or eat it immediately. Don't wait till you bring that shit home and it's cold. And I'll catch you in the next one. Johnny Eats out. Peace.